Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we will discuss two sample answers that you can prepare for this cue card along with the explanation in Hindi. So the cue card topic is describe a person who has strong opinions. एक ऐसे व्यक्ति का वर्णन करें जिसकी राय बहुत मजबूत होती है. You should say who this person is. ये व्यक्ति कौन है? How you know him or her. आप उसे और उन्हें कैसे जानते हैं? Why you think he or she is a person who has strong opinions. आपको क्यों लगता है कि ये व्यक्ति बहुत मजबूत राय रखता या रखती है? What kinds of strong opinions this person has. इस व्यक्ति की कौन कौन सी मजबूत राय हैं? And explain how you feel about his or her opinions. और समझाएं कि आप उनकी राय के बारे में कैसा महसूस करते हैं. So I am sharing two sample answers that will help you prepare for this cue card. Sample answer 1 is, a person I know who has strong opinions is my cousin Arjun. He is a software engineer in his early 30s and I have always looked up to him for his sharp mind and confident personality. We grew up together, so I have had the chance to observe his strong-willed nature from a young age. Arjun is very vocal about his thoughts on technology and its impact on society. For instance, he firmly believes that artificial intelligence and automation, while beneficial, should never replace human creativity and decision making. He often shares his opinions at family gatherings or even during casual conversations, and he has a way of making people rethink their perspectives. Another strong opinion he holds is about fitness and health. He is a fitness enthusiast and strongly advocates for a disciplined lifestyle. He believes that everyone should dedicate at least an hour a day to physical activity, and he often argues that a sedentary lifestyle is one of the biggest challenges of modern society. He frequently encourages family members, including me, to adopt healthier habits like regular exercise and mindful eating. I feel a mix of admiration and frustration towards his opinions. On one hand, I deeply respect how well informed and logical he is. His ideas about technology and health have certainly influenced me to be more aware of my own habits and choices. However, there are times when his views come across as too rigid. For example, he tends to criticize people who don't share his enthusiasm for fitness, which can feel a bit judgmental. Despite this, I truly value his opinions because they are rooted in a genuine desire to help others improve their lives. His ability to stand by his beliefs while encouraging others to think critically is something I aspire to emulate. Another sample answer that you can prepare for this cue card is, one person who comes to mind when I think of someone with strong opinion is my friend Ananya. She is a journalist by profession and I met her during a college debate competition a few years ago. Over time, we became close friends and I have come to admire her sharp intellect and strong convictions. What makes Ananya stand out is her ability to take a firm stand on issues, especially when it comes to social justice and equality. For example, she has a strong belief that education should be accessible to everyone, regardless of their financial background. She often voices her opinion on social media, advocating for policies that support marginalized communities. Her arguments are not only passionate but also well supported with facts and real life examples, which makes her viewpoints hard to ignore. Another area where she has strong opinion is women's rights. She frequently speaks about the need for equal opportunity in workplaces and challenges gender stereotypes. She once led a local campaign to create awareness about workplace harassment, and her efforts had a significant impact on the community. Personally, I have mixed feelings about her strong opinions. On one hand, I admire her for standing up for what she believes in, even if it means going against popular opinions. Her courage and determination inspire me to think deeply about important issues and not shy away from expressing my views. On the other hand, there are moments when her intensity can be overwhelming. she really backs down in an argument, which sometimes make discussions with her feel more like debates. Overall, I respect her passion and dedication to making a difference. While her opinions might be strong, they are rooted in a genuine desire to create a better society, and I find that truly commendable. This is all about from my side. I hope these two sample answers help you prepare for this cue card. If you want any another story first, let me know in the comments. Thank you so much, guys.